Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of July, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock has broken the wide and decreasing short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. In response, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $17.79, a level that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $19.98 will likely be the next potential peak level, thus creating a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible 33.72% decline over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 45.41% and 37.72%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 12.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 68.20% to positive 117.48% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.02 and $41.17. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased more than 5.52% on Wednesday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 5.52% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025. The price rose from $17.94 to $18.93. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.34%, with a low of $17.98 and a high of $18.94. While the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 6.77% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with approximately 9 million shares bought and sold for around $161,001,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 65.38%. or $35.75, below the 52-week high, and 76.15%, or $60.45, below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the ticker symbol DJT, has been making significant moves in the tech and financial sectors. The company recently applied to register trademarks for Truth Social AI and Truth Social AI Search as it seeks to integrate artificial intelligence functions into its social media platform, Truth Social. This initiative reflects an ambition to diversify revenue streams, potentially making the service more appealing and profitable in the competitive social media landscape. In addition to its efforts in artificial intelligence, Trump Media is pursuing a new cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund that aims to hold a variety of digital assets including Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana. With Bitcoin's mainstream adoption and increasing institutional interest, This strategy could position the company advantageously in a rapidly growing sector. The approval of the exchange-traded fund could provide a substantial boost to DJT's stock price, attracting both cryptocurrency enthusiasts and broader market investors. In the short term, DJT's unique political positioning and strong retail interest could trigger volatility, especially if high short interest leads to a short squeeze. The recent application for artificial intelligence trademarks and cryptocurrency-related ventures may positively influence investor sentiment, potentially reversing a decline of 15.2% observed in June. In the long term, the successful implementation of these initiatives could significantly enhance financial performance, positioning Trump Media as a notable player in the artificial intelligence and digital asset markets. With the goal of achieving sustainability and growth amid the shifting economic landscape, analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 8.79%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $19.43. Conversely, if it declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $18.70. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal and reinforce the general negative outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 33 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 108 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 103 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $18.67. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 96 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.34%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and carry potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 8th day of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $18.67. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Philip Yuhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Philip Yuhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 14th of May 2025, Philip Yuhan conducted an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 19.617. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.10, reflecting a decline of 4.39%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy at this moment. Instead, it is advisable to treat it as a hold candidate, suggesting either to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been updated. We have revised our previous evaluation from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 313 thousandths of a dollar, commencing trading at $18.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.